bunch of duct tape. This whole thing.
Well, it don't look round no more.
It looks kind of like a body.
A what?
A body.
I don't know what kind of bodies you're looking at.
Maybe like 2 bodies. People are gonna think I'm a really insane child. We've been doing this for 2 minutes now.
There you go. And now let's get it round again.
How are you gonna do that? So yeah, this is how we fix things.
If you need a cheaper way, let me know. We'll
Yeah.
figure something out.
Ghetto for hire.
Wow. Thanks. That's pretty darn
It's called 1-800-GHETTO.
good. Get two.
I'm kidding about all
Can I
this.
go this?
Please don't actually call that number.
Oh, if you do, you might find somebody who's not talking to you.
Or somebody who's just really out of their mind.
Yes, that's about it.
A butterfly!
So when you can't, when you don't have money, are you done recording?
No, I'm recording a butterfly.
Alright.
Okay, it's on that side.
Are you serious? Duct tape and then you say butterfly? OMG, girlfriend. Yeah, I see a little hole right here. Might
You
drive
know where to go.
closer, too. Well,
Okay.
if this don't work, we're just gonna go straight up buy a new one.
Just a crud ton of duct
Please
tape.
send some money so we can buy a new one.
Go on our GoFundMe. It's Ghetto 03.
What the heck is Ghetto 03? Why'd you come up with that?